Hey, it's Garrick and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I make videos of modifying my Tesla Model Y, reviewing test accessories, and of course anything tech. So today we are going to be reviewing an accessory from Tesery, and it's their roof rack for the Tesla Model Y. And the best thing about this roof rack is that it actually looks exactly like the OEM roof rack. It is made out of aluminum, and it's actually cheaper than buying it from Tesla. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox it, we're going to install it, and then we're going to review it. All right, everybody, let's go check it out. All right, so what we have here is the racks for the Tesla Model Y from Tesery. So I primarily took it out of the box. Box was pretty in good shape. And as we see here, just don't want to scratch the dining table. My wife will make me sleep in the Tesla again. As you can see here, nice, beautiful roof rack. Another piece. All right, so as you can see here, the roof rack system is very similar to the OEM. It's actually made out of aluminum. You do have the rubber grommet that we can probably take out where we can slide accessories on it, depending on what type of accessories that you have. I personally have a Thule roof box. I use it on my other car when we go on road trips or possibly go on camping. And I got the ones that actually clamps on. So we're gonna test it on our car. And as you can see here, all aluminum, is not made out of plastic. So that's a huge plus. And with this box here, we have the covers, we have, I guess, the end base pieces. We have all the parts here and the tools. And we also have the clear protector that we put onto the body of the car so it protects the paint. All right, perfect. Everything that you would need to install comes inside the box. The roof racks should be really, really simple. Let's get out to the car, let's get it installed. As you can see here, the racks have locks on each side of the racks, giving you the theft protection. A similar lock and key setup on the OEM Tesla roof rack. Let's go over the parts. The base of the Tesery roof rack is marked for each location on the roof. It is highlighted on the imprinted car image and abbreviations are printed on each base. For example, FR means front right. The covers that go on the base of the roof rack are also marked with abbreviations as well. RR means rear right. It comes with an Allen key and turn locks that you would need to screw onto the screw holder. Here are the screw holders that we place under the glass roof at specific roof rack positions on the roof. And pre-cut PPF that will be placed on designated spots on the roof, giving you the protection on your paint. There are 4 arrows on the glass roof that marks where the mounting point for each roof rack screw holder. It's a bit hard to see on the camera while the sun is shining above. Before placing the PPF, be sure to wipe down the roof. You want to make sure that the roof is super clean. Each PPF has arrows where you will meet the arrow on the glass roof. You would need to slide the screw holder underneath the moldings. Use the trim tool remover which is provided in the kit to lift the molding up so you can slide the screw holder in. Slide the screw holder to the arrow and you can feel that the hole is at the right spot. Do it for all 4 locations. Next, you will need to slide the base into each screw. Be sure to check the markings of each base to be sure you got the right location. Now for the fun part. Be sure to slowly slide the roof rack onto the base. I would suggest you have someone to help you on the other side to help slide the roof rack onto the base. The last thing you want to do is to drop the roof rack on your glass roof and cracking it. Screw on the lock screw and use the provided Allen key to tighten the lock screw. Be sure not to over tighten it as it can crack your roof. Be sure to have the vertical line line up with the marking on the base. After you got all 4 screws tightened, use the key to lock the roof rack. After that is done, you can add the covers to each base. Time to install the Thule Force XT Large cargo box. I've used this cargo box on our other car on long road trips and camping. Since we have been driving our Tesla more, we are looking forward to trying this out on our next camping trip. As you can see, the Thule cargo box fits perfectly well on the roof rack. The rear liftgate does not touch the cargo box whatsoever. Perfect fit. want to give you my feedback in regards to the Tesery Roof Rack. To be honest with you, the roof rack is a lot better than I thought it would be. It's kind of hard to compare a name brand like Yakima, and to be honest with you, it is almost the same build quality. It's made out of aluminum, and the instructions are really easy, which is the same installation process as this was OEM. So that's a home run there. And if you don't want to pay for that Tesla price, you can definitely save some money by going with the Tesery brand. If you don't want to pay over $500 for this roof rack, you can definitely buy the Tesery brand. It's actually a lot cheaper, and on top of that, you can use my discount code GARRICKish to save you some more money. Now, I will have the link and my discount code in the description below. Now, if the video is helpful, definitely give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. All right, everybody, I'll catch you on the road, and be safe.